Ditch the tiny SIM card struggle and say hello to instant activation, because today we're unlocking the secrets to installing a Mint Mobile Esim on your iPhone in under 90 seconds. First things first, make sure you've already purchased a Mint Mobile plan and downloaded the Mint Mobile app from the App Store. You'll need this to activate your Esim. Now, open the Mint Mobile app and tap the Activate button. This will kickstart the Esim installation. If you don't see the Activate button, you may have to sign in. Next, you'll likely be prompted to choose whether to install an Esim or activate a physical SIM. If you had one before, make sure to select the Esim option. Follow the on-screen prompts provided by Mint Mobile, which will guide you through downloading your Esim profile. Your iPhone will then display a notification saying Install Esim. Tap this to begin the process. You may be asked to enter a confirmation code, which can be found in your Mint Mobile account or email. After the Esim is installed, you can set your preferences for how you want your new Mint Mobile plan to work. You can choose it as your primary line for calls and data, or use it as a secondary line. And that's it. The Mint Mobile app should confirm that your Esim is successfully activated. You can now start enjoying your Mint Mobile service, and if you run into any snags, Mint Mobile support team is always ready to help.